editor model. This program library is for set for the different tool speed, tool 1, tool 2, different tool speed, start speed, up speed, max ACC. Dumpling is set in the panel. Those part no need, and those no need. Gray color is no need. Because this machine is auto feeding table, you need to set the auto feeding. It's in the output. In the output, you can choose. You can write in your working table length and select the over range. 哎，你把那个超幅面的那个 because if you cut the design file, its length is longer than your table. You need to choose the over range. It can automatically cut. Continue. For example, this length is 11 meter and the table is 2.4, so it's longer than the table. But after you could select the platform for over range, it can automatically continue cut this design file. But choose the over range.
删了。下载它应该知道吧？下载过去，传过去。
Now let's to see the mark.